Hello. Today we are going to be demonstrating the use of the replace face command, which matches the face that you have in a feature to an existing face. It's especially useful when you have an existing shape that might be hard to match. For example, a drafted face or a compound draft or something like that. In a very quick example, I will put just a feature over here. Let's say a rectangle on this flat face first, and let's extrude it by some arbitrary amount. What replace face does is it takes this face here and you can make it match the face right over there, and it will match it perfectly, which is really convenient. To show a more complicated example, because here, of course, I suppose you could have tried to match the draft and then move this face until it matches, although that would still be kind of complicated. But to give another example, let's back up a little bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new datum thesis, and I'm going to put it right over this complicated shape here. I'll even give it an angle just to kind of further demonstrate the capabilities here. And let's put a similar feature, but on this kind of odd location. We'll put it right over there, and we're going to extrude that. Okay, in the other direction until we hit that face. Okay, so realistically, if you were to not use a replace face, I don't even see how you could possibly match these two together. Maybe you'd have to cut them, but it would be pretty difficult. I suppose you could extend a sheet, but replace face makes it much easier. You simply click the face that you want to be matched, and for the replacement face, click the other face. Hit OK, and there you have a beautiful face that matches exactly at a splined and drafted angle, which is just super handy to have available to you. So that's it. It's very simple. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please don't hesitate to do so in the comment box below. Thanks. Bye.